Want to create a 4-leaf clover in Blender in an easy way? Let's go. First, press numpad 7 for top view, then Shift+A and add a plane. Press Tab for edit mode, press 2 for edge select, then Ctrl+R and add 3 vertical cuts. Add 1 horizontal cut, then press G twice to slide it into position. Press the period key and set pivot to individual origins. Select the top edges with Alt+click, then press S+X to scale. Do the same for the bottom edges. Now press 1 for vertex select. Move the top middle vertex using G+Y and adjust the bottom vertices the same way. Go back to object mode and press Ctrl+3 for subdivision. Then return to edit mode, select the middle edges, and scale slightly with S+X. Enable proportional editing, select the center vertices and press G+Z. Scroll your mouse to shape the leaf smoothly. Now go to side view, numpad 3, and refine the shape using G+Z again. Back to object mode, move the leaf with G+Y. Set pivot to 3D cursor, then press Shift+D and rotate with R+90+Z. Repeat to create 4 leaves. Now press Shift+A, add a UV sphere, and place it in the center. Add a Bezier curve, rotate it with R+90+Y, scale with S+Z, and increase the depth to create the stem. Finally, add a green material to one leaf. Select the others, then select the colored one last, press Ctrl+L, then link materials. Add materials to the stem and center. Boom! Your 4-leaf clover is ready. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Blender Money Studio for more quick Blender tips.